Today I'm coloring the Cup of Tea stamp set that was just released at the Not Too Shabby shop. It features these beautiful birds, teacups, tea kettle, butterflies, cherry blossoms. The sentiments read, "Tea time, you're so lovely. There's always room for you on my branch. Tweetheart, you're my cup of tea, and hello, sweet friend." I just love this stamp set. I'm taking color inspiration from the new paper pad, Beautiful Blossoms. And I've started coloring my images. I did the little cherry blossoms. R89, R85, R83, and R81. I started with the bird and I used BG11 and B000. I'm going to move on to the top of his head with E43 and E41. I'm going to add some darker brown to some of his wings. Then I'm going to add a little bit of blue to the tip here. I'm not making any particular type of bird. I'm just making up the colors. You can definitely do that. And I'm going to put this dark blue on his tail. And let's do some brown on this birdie's little wings. I'm just going to take an orangey color for the little beak and the little feet. And then I'm going to take G94 and just add a little bit of a variation in color. I'll paint one side darker. And then for our branch, let's do E37. I'll make some spots darker and some spots lighter. E35 I'll use to blend it out. Alright, there's our beautiful image. I'm going to play some music and go ahead and speed color through the next images here. Visit our website, nottoshabbyshop.com, to see the whole Cottage Charm release. It's a beautiful release. Use the hashtag N2S Cottage Charm to see all the projects from the design team. They've created some beautiful cards for you. I have a couple of freebies for this release if you spend $60. I have the brand new Cherry Blossom Cottage Charm enamel dots. They are gorgeous. They match both of the collections. That will pop into your cart once it reaches $60. I also have a beautiful holographic sticker that will pop into your cart once it reaches $100. I will have a photo of the finished card at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!